Hi everybody, and welcome to video 8 in our Winter Castle series. And as you can tell by the board and the completed journal, this is the flip through video. Now, for those of you who are not members of the Sweet Pea Papers Coffee Shop membership, this is just the flip through that you're going to see. I've got my hand warmers on, excuse me. We created this journal in the membership area of the Sweet Pea Papers Coffee Shop. It's ko-fi.com/Sweet Pea Papers. All the links are going to be below to all my Facebook groups and all that. So this is a Victoria Designs kit, and I really like this kit. It turned out really pretty. I made this spine too big by accident. I measured incorrectly and I made it 1 3/4 and it should have been 1 1/2. The book fills it up, but when you open it you can see, you know, that it's too large. So I'm just telling you that ahead of time so that when I open it you don't go, ooh, that's so large. I may make another cover, but this one turned out so nice. So here's your front cover. Here's the side cover. These are shields. They almost kind of look like dragon's eyes though, don't they? Then on the back is another winter castle. Then when you open it, a giant spine. But I thought this was pretty as an inside cover. And we've got this ribbon holding this is a single signature book journal. And when you untie this, you see the little miniature envelope stack. And I didn't put any magnets in. I didn't mean to not put magnets in, but I got done with the whole thing and realized I hadn't put a single magnet in. It doesn't stick out or anything. It's fine. But as you guys know, I'm like the magnet queen. And I didn't put any in this time. I put some in the other couple of the other pages though. So we've got this decorative piece at the front, and you open it up, and it's half of an envelope this way. I cut it in half, and there's a little card in here. It's like a little tuck. I'll get back in there. There it goes. Finally. And then on this side is the same thing. It's a little tuck. This side is a card. Writing space on the back. Then another card. I put cream colored cardstock behind all the windows. And then we have another castle. Isn't that pretty? And some writing space. I didn't put any additional pockets or anything on the back. I just left it writing space. Let's see if I can tie this. If I can't, we're going to go on without me tying it. Sometimes I can tie them and sometimes I can't. Just depends on how my hands feel. Ta-da! They feel fine, apparently. Okay. A little too big, but there we go. This page is just a belly band with a very narrow card. The writing cards all have this wood texture on the back. And I just thought that was so pretty. I could have put a full-size writing card in, but I didn't because I didn't want to cover it up. So I just put this sized one in so that you could still see the swirls around. This is a notebook. You take this out. This kit was one of the smaller kits. I used every single piece of paper in this kit, right down to the very last page, made the very last card with it. But it didn't really have any ephemera with it, believe it or not. Victoria Designs, no ephemera really. I decided not to fill it with words, just words. So we're just going to go with the beautiful images. And I love this with the sword. This side here is a little fake matchbook. And this is held on by a magnet. And then when you pull it, no, it didn't do it. Oh, the magnet grabbed it. It opens like this. And then you can write on it like so. And then the magnet holds it shut. Nifty Neato, I saw the something similar, not the same at all. She pulled it out. But similar on Instagram, and the person that did it, their name was PCB Carol. C-A-R-O-L-E, PCB Carol. So I want to thank them for the general idea. I saw it. And I was like, oh, pull out, I could do that. And then I could have just left this as a matchbook, only with this glued down and just a pull out. But, me, I thought I'd play around with it a little bit. We have this beautiful writing page. This side is a floating envelope. And another nice image. So we have the tickets on this side with the shield. And on this side, the envelope opens. And then we have the image of the clock. And then you just put it right back on the paper clip. On this side, this opens this way. And it holds the giant writing card. If I had any paper left, I'd come back and add something here. I swear I used every single page, cut in half. Every single one. The very last page was the very last card that I made on the back cover. So then we turn the page, and the center is just 2 writing pages. They were so pretty, I thought I would just put them in. I could have put flips and flaps on them, but it's a good thing I didn't. So I would have been short on paper. This is 2 writing cards in 2 tucks. There's a nice big one. I don't know why in tucks they never go in very far. I mean, I just glue the corner and the bottom, but anyway, it's all pretty. On this is a triple belly band. So you've got a bookmark here. It's kind of hard to get a hold of. And a bookmark here. And then you have a little bit bigger card here. Oops, let me get it even. There we go. And then you have the larger writing card here. So that was kind of fun to do. Then on this side is a large pocket. Now this really could use something right here. And so we have our card. And I left it smaller so that it didn't cover up this beautiful crown. On this side, originally I was going to make one of the not pamphlet closure. Is that what it's called? No, something else. And policy closure. But then I decided I didn't want to cover up my little castle in the mountains. This is 1 page. I decided then to use magnets to be different. So you open this down. Whoopsie, it slid over. You open this down, and there's a writing area. And you open this up, and there's a writing area, and then there's this beautiful giant card. The writing area on the back, and this beautiful image here. There's a lot of beautiful castles in here. Made it kind of hard to cut them up. The elastic is a little tight there, isn't it? Then we have a belly band with a writing card. And a flip up. And again, yeah, I'm not, this is, oh, it's the elastic is tight. I made the holes too close together. Yeah. Definitely not selling this book. And then this flips up. If I had ephemera, I could go back and decorate it, and you know, I could sell it. I could sell it with the little bit of ephemera there is, so that someone could decorate it themselves. But there's just these three little pockets here, or little containers there. And then on the last page is a pocket. It was really snug because it's fat. And I love this image here. And then we have this piano with the inside of the castle behind it. Inside cover, and then the back. So that's our winter castle. If you want to see how to make it, then you can just go to the Sweet Pea Papers coffee shop and join as a member. It's not very expensive at all. It's only $10 a month. You get tutorials that you don't get on this free YouTube channel. You get a store-wide discount. If you join as a gold member, which is just a little bit more, then you get some AMA time, which is Ask Me Anything time, every month at no additional charge. So we get to meet up and chat. Okay? Well, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next Sweet Pea Papers series, or the next, I still have glue on me, or the next coffee shop flip through, and that'll be on the closest Monday, Wednesday, or Friday to you, and probably tomorrow for me. Alrighty, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.